Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you some advice on how to get started as a content creator. Whether you want to express yourself artistically or in other ways, or if you want to learn how to generate content as a service that you can market to clients and get paid for your content creation, this video is for you. I get paid to create content. I write articles with and without the help of AI. I generate images with Gen AI tools, and I make promotional videos and social media video content, and I record narrations for training modules, all of which I've done for clients who pay me for this content. I've linked to examples of each type of content I've created below this video. If I can do it, so can you. There's no mystery to it, but you will need to practice using some new tools. So in this video, I'll introduce you to methods for creating text, image, video or audio content for fun, pleasure or profit, and the tools to use to make it quicker and more efficient than ever before. For each section, I've suggested some tools to try and use. The links to all of them are in the description area below this video. This is an introduction. In future videos, I'll explain the process for each type in more detail. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you're notified when those videos are published. First, textual content creation. Let's start by examining how to create compelling written content. The traditional method of sitting in front of a blank page or staring out of a window and waiting for the muse to tell you what to write is as valid today as it's ever been. But with the arrival of Gen AI tools, we have what you might call an e-muse to help things underway as soon as you like. ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, Gemini and others can help you brainstorm topics, outline your articles and even suggest catchy headlines. By using these tools, you can streamline your writing process and unleash your creativity without getting bogged down by writer's block. It's all down to the prompt you input to the tool, i.e. your instructions. Typing, "Give me 10 ideas for an article about golf," will certainly produce results. But if you want specifics, then your prompt needs to be more specific. So you might use a prompt that says something like this: generate 10 article ideas highlighting the evolution of golf tournaments in Europe during the 2010s, focusing on key moments, standout players and emerging trends. And then you can expand on that even further and reply to the response with your requests for an article structure and sections for one of the titles you choose. You can use other AI tools that write entire articles. Personally, I'm not against this practice, but the Google algorithms, and more importantly, the readers of your articles, may have other ideas. AI content checkers are often used by those who want to hire content creators but who don't want AI content. So if you want to use AI writing tools for content you're going to sell to clients, you should edit it fully so that it passes sophisticated AI content checkers. And that can sometimes take as long as writing it in the conventional way. Next, image content creation. Now let's talk about creating eye-catching images for your social media platforms. Images are a powerful way to express yourself and engage your audience. With generative AI tools, you can easily create stunning graphics, memes, and illustrations in minutes. Whether you're designing for personal use or for clients, these tools offer a wide range of templates and customization options to suit your needs. Say goodbye to expensive design software and hello to professional-looking visuals at your fingertips. As with prompts for text generation, with Gen AI tools for images, you'll need to experiment with prompts and learn how to write prompts that create the images you or your clients have in mind. Image prompts can be quite sophisticated. For photography, they can include the angle of the shot, the subject, the location, lighting, mood, camera type, and more besides. Here's an example of an image I created in Midjourney for a social media post. The prompt for this was: professional photo of happy English woman in her 40s looking across an airport runway. Casual clothes, sunlight, blue sky, Hasselblad X1D camera. Again, it's all down to experimenting with them and practicing, and this can be fun. By doing so, you'll quickly learn what works and how to control the output. Below this video are a few generative AI tools that you can try. They are becoming increasingly easy to use, and the results are spectacular in some cases. Next, video content creation. Now, what about video content creation? Video rules in the digital realm, and for good reason. They capture attention, evoke emotions, and drive engagement like no other medium. With Gen AI tools, you can edit videos like a pro, even if you're a beginner. From trimming and merging clips to adding effects and transitions, these platforms offer intuitive interfaces that make the editing process effortless. Whether you're vlogging, creating tutorials, or promoting products, harnessing the power of AI can not only make your video productions quicker and easier, but help you to produce more entertaining content. Choose the right format for the right platform. For example, vertical 9:16 videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Reels on Instagram and Facebook, square for Facebook and Instagram posts, and landscape for longer YouTube videos. My tool of choice is Pictory, and that's what I use to create the video you're watching now. A Pictory subscription gives you access to millions of short video clips that can be combined to create a video lasting many minutes, or a short or reel. However, there's a new generation of AI tools emerging which enables creators to create AI videos without using stock footage, just as with AI images. These are going to open up all kinds of new opportunities to creators. Below is a selection of video generation tools and video editors to try. Now let's look at audio content creation. Last but not least, let's not forget about audio content. Podcasts, voiceovers, and sound bites are all valuable assets in your content arsenal. With Gen AI tools, you can easily record, edit, and enhance audio files to captivate your audience. Whether you're narrating a story, conducting interviews, or producing music, these platforms offer a range of features to polish your audio content to perfection. However, when it comes to the sound of your voice, you may want to undertake some basic training in voice recording and voiceover techniques. You see, those people who narrate adverts on TV and on social media, or who record narrations, don't just roll out of bed and start recording. They know their voice is like a muscle that needs training and maintenance to obtain the various results that are required of them. Even if you have no ambition to become a voiceover artist or to record narrations for books, knowing how to speak clearly on your podcast or video recordings will give you an edge over the competition. For that, you need to undertake some training, and I recommend the short courses by Peter Baker. He's a UK-based voiceover artist, a former BBC News announcer and ITV Granada presenter, and the voice of literally thousands of commercials. He's created some great courses that pass on all his knowledge and experience. There's even one that's dedicated to podcasts. Check him out using the links below. So, there you have it. Whether you're crafting text, images, videos or audio, Gen AI tools are your secret weapon for creating compelling content. Check below the video for links to the tools I've mentioned and start unleashing your creativity today. Armed with these tips and strategies, you're well equipped to kickstart your creative journey and make a splash in the digital world. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so be patient, stay persistent, and most importantly, have fun along the way.